Hi, my name is Ergo Veski. Right now I'm here in Norway, Nittedal Torvindustri place, waiting for offloading because there is lunchtime. This is my truck. I call it Cat Eyes. As you can see, there is cat face. It's made on 2006 and there is some chip tuning. Engine is 418 horsepower, not 20. Cargo is 24 ton torf, I don't know how to say in English. Some kind of moss stuff. THL, because we're working for THL, we don't have any trailer in our company. I'm not sure, maybe one is. It's quite white around here. Temperatures +4, maybe +3, 4, not cold. Well, that's enough right now.